Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. Today we are going to learn how to fetch the honors list into your HubSpot API with the help of the Node.js. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. Why we require the honors list? Because while creating the meetings, we require the owner ID. Okay, so first we fetch all the honors list, and then we will use that owner ID into our meeting schedule. Okay, so let's see how to fetch that one. So the API is like API HubSpot API CRM owners, so it will give you the owner list. You need to pass your access token and it will give you the owners list. Okay, let's see. So here we are going to just node owners.js, and here we have the owner list. That is, this is my email and this is my IDs. Okay, so I'm going to use this ID into my scheduling meeting.js. That is here, that is owner ID. Okay, so I'm going to use it over here to create a meeting. We're going to create a schedule a meeting in the next video with the help of the Node.js and the HubSpot API. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.